Tired of moldy dish sponges and trays that stink up your kitchen and fall apart? Wet sponges retain bacteria. Bacteria is transferred back to the dishes, pots, and pans you eat out of, and onto the kitchen counter. Gross! Get the Spongenator, our kitchen dish sponge with a locking hook holder. Each pack comes with its own hook. Say goodbye to mold and bacteria, and say hello to the long-lasting antibacterial kitchen sponge with its own hanging hook. The Spongenator's multipurpose scrubber makes cleaning easier. Spongenator's soft, non-scratch design is perfect for dishes and pans, even kitchen tile. And Spongenator's antibacterial material cuts through grease and buildup. But here's the best part. Lock in the Spongenator's suction cup and see how our innovative hook hole design leaves you more kitchen counter space. Spongenator's hole and super suction hook won't fall off. Your new sponge dries while hanging. The result is a constantly dry, clean, odorless, and mold-free sponge that will last up to 500 uses. Attach Spongenator to your choice of surface for the easiest convenience. Get the Spongenator now and get ready for a new level of clean.